I created a persuasive speech using a rhetorical model from one of Vivek Ramaswamy's speeches in ChatGPT, and you can too. But first, here's what I did.
I transcribed his speech. I chopped up the speech in Google Sheets. I performed a line of reasoning analysis on the speech. I performed an argument claims data analysis on each statement. I performed a rhetorical appeals data analysis on each statement. I performed a rhetorical device data analysis on each statement. I mashed up all the data into one insights dashboard. I created a rhetorical model using an insights dashboard. I created the ChatGPT prompt using the rhetorical model. And that's it.
Luckily for you, you can just go straight to step 8 to build your rhetorical model, so I'll start there in more detail. Before I do, I just wanted to share that I did try using ChatGPT to model Ramaswamy's speech in the most obvious way by feeding ChatGPT the entire speech and then asking it to write a new speech based on Ramaswamy's speech. Here's the prompt that I used. The result wasn't good, and it ranked very high in all the plagiarism checkers. Back to the rhetorical model building process. Here's a quick look of the Insights dashboard that is used to fine-tune your model. You can find a link to the dashboard in the description. Let's take a look at the model example I created. It's a very basic model, but the results were very good. I included a link to the rhetorical model and the ChatGPT speech in the description. In this video, I'll only provide a quick overview of the process for building the model, as I have developed a template with instructions which says everything you need. The process for building the model is very simple. Number 1, identify the general details that will help ChatGPT to customize the overall tone of your speech. Number 2, identify one or a few of your favorite rhetorical choices within each line of reasoning. And number 3, translate the information from steps 1 and 2 into a ChatGPT prompt. This process allows you to improve your rhetoric and your use of AI. It provides a deliberate and intentional way to prompt AI that allows you to be a rhetorician rather than the other way around. Personally, this is the most effective method I've used to leverage AI to date. If you do give it a try, please let me know how it went in the comments. Thanks.
Remember, guys, to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.